Let's break down lighted walkway ideas, safety, and ambience. Here's what you need to know. Lighted concrete walkways combine safety and curb appeal. Learn design options, lighting types, costs, and installation steps for NC homeowners. Quick answer. A lighted concrete walkway costs $4,000 to $10,000 for a 50-foot path, depending on finish and lighting type. Solar lights run $15 to $40 per fixture. Low-voltage systems cost $800 to $2,000 installed. Proper spacing at 8 to 12 feet apart meets safety codes while reducing trip hazards by up to 40%. A well-lit concrete walkway transforms a functional outdoor path into a safe, welcoming feature that adds curb appeal and extends usable outdoor time after dark. Whether you're planning a new walkway in Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, or the Lake Norman area, understanding your lighting options and the concrete foundation that supports them is essential to getting the design and durability you need. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. Pay nothing until the work is complete. Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front, protecting homeowners from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. This post covers lighted walkway design, material choices, cost ranges, and installation steps to help you make an informed decision. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company designs and installs illuminated concrete walkways that meet safety codes while enhancing property aesthetics, from simple broom finish paths with recessed LED strips to stamped concrete features with integrated uplighting. Typical walkway projects range from $3,000 to $8,000 depending on length, finish type, and lighting complexity. Unlike most contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. Proper lighting design reduces trip hazards by 40% while adding nighttime visual interest to residential landscapes. Moving on to lighting types and costs. The right lighting system depends on your budget, desired brightness, and maintenance tolerance. 3 main categories dominate residential walkway projects: solar recessed lights, low-voltage LED systems, and line-voltage fixtures. Solar recessed lights are the cheapest upfront option, costing $15 to $40 per fixture. These self-contained units sit flush in the concrete and charge during the day, illuminating at night for 6 to 8 hours. Advantages include no wiring, no trenching, and no electrician required. The downside: battery degradation over 8 to 12 years, reduced brightness on cloudy days, and occasional replacement of failed units. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.